This is FlexRig. With surgeons from OSU Tulsa Health, we designed a machine to test the strain on the patellar tendon.
The brackets are fabricated out of rectangular box tubing cut into a U shape. A 5/8 inch bolt goes through the bracket to create a hinge for a 5/8 inch tie rod, which provides free Y rotation of the leg holder. 5/8 inch washers were dimpled on a press to create concavity, which are used to limit the rotation of the tie rod in the Z-axis. Vinyl tubing and hose clamps are used as a medium for the leg and the tie rod, which allows the end user flexibility for attachment. Attachment can be done via hose clamps over the leg portion of the tubing or medical cement inside the tubing. The hose clamps allow quick attachment and detachment of the tubing from the tie rod. The tubing is readily available, so when supply runs out, the end user can replace it quickly and cheaply. Initial designs were simple on paper, but required further calculations for custom bracket fabrication to align the frame slots to the guide screw slots.
The frame is constructed from 80/20 frame rails. This is for modularity, rigidity, cleanliness, and customizability reasons. The 80/20 frame is 2 feet by 3 feet with inner and upper corner supports to provide better rigidity. The screw guide is attached to the frame via custom right angle brackets. For the guide, it is a Fuyu FSL40 that is 900 millimeter length. The linear screw drive provides accuracy and speed as well as stability. The stepper motor is a NEMA 23 controlled via an Arduino Uno R3, which is a small programmable controller, and the power is supplied to the Arduino and stepper motor via a 120 Hz power supply.
We used the Omega KFH6 120 strain gauge, which has 120 ohms of resistance. Strain gauges require a Wheatstone bridge and amplifiers, so we used the TI-PD 170 configuration, which also uses 3 120 ohm resistors. Each component was soldered onto the PCB. Through a micro SD reader, the Arduino records the strain from the strain gauge and positional data of the motor with respect to time and restores it as a simple text file.